Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to send money from Revolut to any bank account you want. So let's get started. First of all, make sure to log in into Revolut with your right credentials. Once you get redirected to this dashboard, you need to go to the left menu and then select transfers. Once you do that, you can see the send money button right here in the top right corner. Select it. After that, select plus new button. If you want to send money to a Revolut account, just select the first one. If you want to send it abroad, select bank recipient. Now you need to select either business or individual. For the most cases, it is individual. You need to fill in the right credentials with the account number, sort code, the first and last name. After that, select continue. Now from here, it is optional to put the recipient email. If you don't have it, you just need to select not now. It will redirect you to this page. Now you need to select from where or from what account you want to send or to withdraw the money. Select this drop down arrow and then select the account you want. After that, select the amount you want to send. For example, £100. Select the reference right here. After that, select the schedule. It is optional to upload an attachment right here. After that, select review. Now this is the last step. Make sure to verify all the information to be correct. After that, select the send button. And there we go. You successfully sent this amount to this person. You just need to go to the recipient right here, and this transaction is done successfully. You just need to go to home, and that's it right here. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.